Hey there, again. I am gonna walk you through Omni tool today. This is simply an email outreach tool. So let's say you have built thousands of emails, you've validated thousands of emails, you've generated thousands of leads, validated them. So what happens next, right? So you have to make sure we are sending emails to all of those leads that you've validated. Let's say 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 leads on a weekly or a monthly basis. So you will be getting access to this tool shortly, where I want you to set this tool up for sending out emails, right? So we have um, all of these emails created, right? And I'm gonna get you the access for that email IDs as well, and you're gonna get access to the password, so you can log in to each and every email and set this up. But here the thing is, uh, there are different tools work in a different way. Here it works in a different way again, right? The idea is that every tool should have an email outreach account. Meaning, let's say if you're sending emails using this account, you're not manually sending these emails, you're scheduling these emails to do its course automatically, right? You want the emails to be sent out automatically at a specific time for a specific location to a specific person and whatnot, right? So this tool will have an email provider, right? Email provider is simply meaning that from which email do you want to send the emails out. So here, if you look at it, the email tool here, the email ID which we're using to send emails for this specific account is omnius.us, right? And you have to add the sender email, sender name. This is the sender email, and this is the sender name. If you see the sender email, you have this. This is done. We already have this here and here, right? Again, SMTP setting, IMAP setting. I'm gonna take you through how the settings work in a minute. So the username is always the full name. Again, it's the full email account that you're using, right? The first one. So I'm gonna um, show you how it is done for one or two emails here, and then you do the rest of the emails. You add the rest of it. Okay. I'm sorry. So once you add all of this, you're going to test this account just to make sure that your inbox is good to go, right? Please check your inbox for test email. It means when there is a green click mark, right? So it means that it is good to go. You just need to get a confirmation email on this inbox. So you simply click on save and we're good to go, right? After that, you can click on campaigns, which I'm gonna show you how it's done in my next recording. So we simply logged in using this email right now, using the email provider as a user. So this is again a user. We've used logged in using this email account as a user, and then we set this specific email as an outreach. Now we have to do this for the remaining ones, right? Let's say we need this account, right? You can use this, copy this email, and here you have a password for Omni email password, Gmail password, right? So here the password for this one is this. Simply enter, copy, and sign in. As soon as you sign in, you see that there are a lot of checkboxes to make sure that the account is set properly. One is you've created an account. Yes, you've verified your email. That's a login email. Perfect. Now connect your email provider, right? This you need to do it so make sure to for you to understand that we are able to send emails using this account and receive emails using this account. So that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So as soon as you click on email provider, there is SMTP settings which you need to work on. So what is the sender email? The sender email is this one, right? And this is the sender name. Sender name can be full name. That's my name, right? Because you're going to be using my account to send emails. Again, the username is same, IMAP setting, it's the same. Now you need to create app password. App password is not the same password that we use. This is not the same password that we use to log into the account. Now to create app password, we need to log into Gmail account using this email. So the email is letsgetomni.com. You log into the email, I'll get you the access, right? Once you log into the email, you have to go to uh, the settings on the top right corner, or you can click on the Google image there and go to manage your Google account. Once you go to manage your Google account, there is a security option which you need to select. If you just scroll it down, there is app password. You need to go put your app password, right? Again, you have to log in using the password here, the Gmail password. That is going to be, I'm just gonna, you have access to this password right here on this sheet. This is the password for this one, for logging into the email. So once you log in under this app password section, you have to click on others and enter Omni, right? Just simply enter Omni or Omni US, and then you generate the password. Once you generate the password, copy the password and then move to the app password. Paste it and paste it. 2 passwords. Now SMTP host, in most of the time it is smtp.gmail.com, because this is a Google domain, because this is the Google account here. So you can, as you can see, and IMAP is simply imap.gmail.com. Right? If you get confused about the settings, you can click on this, and there is a documentation that is made to basically help you fill out these details to connect your outreach email account or sender account. Port, it's 587 because we already have this 587 and 993 Gmail SMTP and Gmail IMAP, which again is there as an example here. So you simply add that code, add this number, and then test it out. So as soon as you test it out, you have a green check mark, meaning we've done a good job, right? We've done everything right. We have not done any mistakes. And simply click on save. Successfully saved. So now as a user, this is your username, right? And this is your email provider. You just need to make sure your username and the email provider are the same, right? Once this is set for all of these accounts here, right, we are good to go. So I'm going to highlight the ones that are done. You have to do the remaining ones, right? You can simply go to Gmail, log in. At times it will ask for one-time passcode. Just hit me up at that time. I'm going to share one-time password for you to log into Gmail, and we can go from there. If you have any questions, of course, just shoot me an email. It's simply now before we sign off, I'm gonna show you, as soon as after you add the email provider, you click on dashboard, so you see the check mark here, connect your email provider is done, right? Earlier this wasn't done, so the idea for us to do this is to make sure we are doing this, right? So I hope you sort of understood how this is done. You can go through the video again and make sure you have all the tabs open so you can quickly do everything. Log into the Gmail, log into Omni using all the credentials that are here on this sheet, right? Well, talk soon then.